Subscribe to Jazee's recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hi guys, welcome to Jazee's recipes and this is Jazla Ismat. What I get into your kitchen today is cupcakes. You can find the written recipe link in the description box. In a medium-sized bowl, beat together butter and sugar on medium speed until light and fluffy for about 3 minutes. Today I'm using brown sugar, but you can also use white sugar. Scraping down the bowl occasionally, beating until the butter looks light in color. Next, add 2 eggs, but add 1 egg at a time and beat well after each addition. But remember, do not add all the eggs at a time. In this recipe, you will get around 12 cupcakes. You can double up the recipe for more cupcakes. Next, add vanilla essence and mix them a little until combined. Scrub down the sides of the bowl as necessary. Mix the flour and baking powder together, then add half of the flour mixture and half of the milk and using a spatula gently fold the batter. Next, add remaining flour and remaining milk. Take care not to overmix. Stop mixing as soon as no visible streaks of dry flour remain in the batter. Once you are done with the folding, this is how the consistency of the batter looks like. Line a cupcake pan with cupcake papers and fill each cupcake well 2/3 full and then tap the tray on the bench top. Bake the cupcakes at 350 Fahrenheit in a preheated oven for about 18 minutes until the centers just spring when you touch or until a toothpick inserted in a center comes out clean. Finally, this is done and ready. Do try this at home and let us know how you liked it. And also do not forget to watch what next Jazee's recipes bring into your kitchen. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Jazee's recipes for recipe notification. Thank you for watching.